haven't vlogged in a bit, but guess what came in the mail? My new monitor! My current desk is kind of looking like a mess, so I'm gonna just make it a bit more clear to make way for my new monitor that I actually got on sale. And why is it so dark? Anyways, I'm gonna make way for my new monitor and then we'll set it up together. Yay! I actually got this on sale. I saved like $100. Okay, what we have is the base, the attachment to the monitor with the arm itself, the power supply and data cord, the extra piece to cover the monitor, and then the power cord itself. And then underneath, the monitor. So let me just set this up real quick, and I'm sweating. This screen is so freaking big, guys. From the box, I didn't expect it to be this big, but like seeing it on my desk, oh my goodness, it's big. It's really big. My whole desk is gonna need a new setup. Very grateful for my parents, for my job, for God, and I'm excited to see how this looks like. So I'm just gonna plug it, and then I'll connect it to my laptop, and then we'll see from there on. Ooh. Okay, it's powered on. I just hope. Dang, guys, look at this conversations. Oh my goodness, I'm working with this now. God. Guys, don't even play. Like, this is big. This is big screen real estate. And the color is nice too. Like, I'm just gonna play around with my screen. I am missing a keyboard. I really need a keyboard. Can't believe that this is gonna be my new office screen. Like, this is crazy work. This is genuinely crazy work. Say something.
Hello everyone. I'm here to assist Martin virtually when it comes to unboxing. Should I tell them what it is, what you have, or should it be a surprise? I think it should be a surprise. His new device, let's just say. The old one was chopped, ugly, and probably stained because of its color. And now comes oh la la! You guys.
Well, you and the viewers.
Oh wait, it's on top of.
La la. Okay, should we listen to what it sounds like?
Yes.
Oh.
That's so good. ASMR moment. Click the thing.
Yo, this is my first mechanical keyboard. That's crazy. Guys, this is too good. Hey guys, so I got the HDD again. These big ass purchases. And here we go. We have the hard drive in itself. I'm kind of glad I got this one instead of the LaCie one, although I could have gotten the LaCie one at a much cheaper price, like $20 cheaper. But now it's freaking $380, like $100 more expensive. But I'm glad I got this one. Hopefully, I pray that it lasts me like a bajillion years, like 10 plus years, because I don't want this to fail. It looks badass, but it just looks so cool. Currently watching Erica Ha and then enjoying some mango ice cream. It's pretty good, very sweet. And these strawberries and lovely sunset. Life is good, summer is great, and I'm so thankful to the Lord. Thank you so much for Hey vlog, it has been a while since I last vlogged. Today we're gonna have a fun day. I'm going on a hangout with my friend Michelle, and we're looking to go buy some jeans at this really big department store. I'm just getting ready. I might be a bit late, but to be honest, Michelle is always really late, so not too stressed out about that. Hopefully I am in frame. I'm currently using one of my new cameras. Not that I bought any new cameras, but I only bought this one. DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which has been really nice. But all I've been doing was like scrolling all summer, and I haven't really created any videos. I still haven't even edited my video where I use this camera to vlog. But anyways, I am getting ready and I'll see you in the next phase of the hangout or the vlog.
5, 6 pairs of clothing.
It's a long receipt.
Yeah. We're gonna see how this thing films. It's filming me as we're.
Yeah.
Oh.
So if you move, it'll follow you.
Oh my goodness. Oh wait, this is so good for people who vlog. How much was this?
But I haven't filmed with it a lot.
It's
Last time. That's ranch.
Spicy honey.
Ooh, okay, I'm excited. I'm gonna try the ranch first.
Oh no. It's good.
What do you review?
Not yet.
Not yet. Wait, let's try the honey.
Ooh.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Papa, let's not start the song.
Okay.
That's interesting.
This was for you, Martin. This is the Nicocado avocado special.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be on a diet right now, but I don't care anymore. God, they gave me the snake and the whole island.
How is this poop though? I don't get it.
Oh, the poop is underneath. Oh, it tastes so chocolatey.
Finally back home. Today was a success and it broke my bank. I'm gonna start with a little haul of what I got at the stationery store. I always leave the store with something. This one is a bit old looking. This one is in pristine condition, so I'll probably use this one for something else. And then these were 15 cents. I got this blue Sarasa clip pen for my journal. Yesterday I bought my Paper Republic journal, so it'll come in a couple weeks, but I wanted to find a pen that would easily slide in this thing. It still has a rubber part, but anyways, I still wanted a clean looking pen. I got these Moleskine squared journals. Anyways, very happy with all of today's purchases. It's just that I'm broke and cannot afford to spend anything else this month because the budget has been way over. Oh my goodness, I've not used this camera in like forever. I wanted to whip this camera out because, well, I haven't used it in ages. And second, I think I will save my butt while editing this because I wouldn't have to calibrate it. Okay, we got the mic connected. I got my Sheen package. So let's do a quick little unboxing. Genuinely, I didn't think it would come because and my friend's calling. Hello. We say hello to the vlog. You came in a good time. I got my Sheen package.
Oh, for
real?
And I'm just gonna open my package. Also, congrats on the giveaway. My friend won a giveaway, guys. My friend won a giveaway. I've never known anybody that won a giveaway, but my friend just did, so. First one in the family.
First one in the family.
Whoa. Oh my goodness, this is a big package. First of all, I got like this blue coconut ball for my friend. It's way smaller than what I expected. Second birthday gift is Rebecca's peanut. And then I got this cheese squishy. Oh my gosh, it smells funky.
It smells funky.
Oh, it's interesting.
How is it?
It smells really bad. Apple.
Apple.
And then my long-awaited squishy. Oh, it's nice. Butter squishy.